In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy multiple items from the same seller on eBay. Whether you're looking to save on shipping or just love the seller's products, it's a smart way to shop. Let's dive in and make the most of your eBay shopping experience. First things first, open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. It's the starting point for your shopping journey. Once there, you'll see the familiar search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll begin your search for that must-have item. Simply type in the name of the product you're looking for. It could be anything from vintage vinyl records to the latest tech gadgets. Get specific if you can, as this will help narrow down the options and bring you closer to finding exactly what you want. After typing in your search query, hit the search button and browse through the results. You'll see a variety of listings come up, each offering different prices, conditions, and shipping options. Take your time to scroll through and get a sense of what's available. When something catches your eye, don't hesitate to click on it. Clicking on the product will take you to the item's details page, where you'll find all the information you need about the product, including its condition, shipping details, and seller information. Now that you're on the product page and have decided this is something you might want to purchase, focus your attention on the seller's name. It's usually found under the item's title or in the seller information section. Clicking on the seller's name is a crucial step because it directs you to the seller's profile, where you can view all the items they currently have for sale. Once on the seller's profile page, you'll see a list of all the items they're selling. This is where the magic happens. Take your time to go through the listings. You might find other items that pique your interest. Having multiple items from the same seller in your cart can sometimes lead to combined shipping costs, which is an excellent way to save money. When you find additional items you'd like to purchase, simply add them to your cart. It's a straightforward process. Look for the Add to Cart button, which is usually right next to the Buy It Now option. Adding items to your cart allows you to review all your chosen products before making the final purchase. It's a great way to ensure you're getting everything you want from that seller. Once you're satisfied with your selections, proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll have the chance to review each item, the seller's shipping options, and the total cost. Make sure everything looks good and that the shipping details are correct. If the seller offers combined shipping, it should automatically adjust in the total cost. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to buy multiple items from the same seller on eBay. This strategy not only helps you discover more great products, but also offers the potential for savings. Remember, the key is to explore the seller's profile and take advantage of the convenience of buying in bulk. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for at the best possible price. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.